Audio and sound make up nearly 50% of your video's impact. So today, I'm going to show you a free tool that can generate custom music and sound effects tailored to your video, all within just a few minutes. Let's get started. To access the tool, simply open any browser and type acstudio.ai, then press enter. This will take you directly to their platform. Ace Studio is essentially an all-in-one AI music studio that you can try for free. With this platform, you can not only create and add custom sound effects and music, but you can also change voices and use the streaming splitter feature. This feature allows you to separate instrumentals and vocals into different tracks so you can edit them individually. In addition, it also offers a video composer and many other powerful features that we will explore in today's video. First of all, download and install the software. Once the registration process is complete, you will see a user interface like this. Now, if you would like to try something quickly, you can go to the templates section. Here, you can click and explore their pre-made music tracks. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add any of these tracks to your project and start editing them as well. Now, simply drag and drop any audio or video file into the timeline. If the program monitor does not appear on your screen, you can easily enable it. Simply double-click the video icon and it will toggle the monitor open or closed. In my case, the video already contains an embedded audio track. To separate it, I'll simply right-click on the video clip and select Detach Audio. Once I do that, the audio will appear as a separate layer in the timeline. For now, I'll go ahead and mute this audio track because I plan to add music and other audio elements manually for this video. First of all, to add music and sound effects, you will find a panel on the right side labeled Generate Music in SFX for your videos. Here, you will see two options, music for your video and sound effects for videos. To begin, I'll start by adding music. At the bottom, you'll notice a panel where you need to provide a description of your video's environment or mood, and based on that description, the AI will generate suitable music for you. You can write this prompt yourself, or if you prefer, you can use ChatGPT. In my case, I've already written a prompt here. So I'll simply paste it into the prompt field, and once I submit it, the platform will start generating the music based on this description. Within a few seconds, or at most under a minute, the music will be ready for you. Finally, our music has been generated. The next step is to add sound effects. For this, I have already prepared a separate detailed prompt. I'll simply provide that prompt, and the tool will start analyzing the video. As you can see, it is currently analyzing the footage and has automatically detected the points where the sound effects should be placed. Now it will simply add those sound effects to the appropriate moments. And just like that, the sound effects have been added successfully. You can clearly see that we didn't manually do anything complicated. So far, we have only provided prompts, and the tool has automatically selected music according to the video's mood, and then detected the exact moments where sound effects should be placed. At the beginning, we can notice that the car sound feels slightly unrealistic. To fix this, you simply need to select that specific frame range. Once selected, you'll see two options here. One for music and the second for sound effects. Click on the sound effects option and then provide a prompt. For example, I'll write a prompt for a high-speed Dodge muscle car sound and then click generate. At this stage, you may need to make a few small tweaks and adjustments. For example, if the sound effect feels too loud, you can simply go to the music or audio track and drag the volume line downward to adjust the level according to your preference. From the same panel, you'll also find options for fade in and fade out, which help make transitions smoother. Another useful feature is that if you want to edit a track in more detail, you can simply double-click, then choose Split into stems. This allows you to separate different elements within the track. So if your music or audio track contains multiple sound elements, you can easily split them apart and control them individually after making a few adjustments and finalize the project to create this final preview. Now the video is almost completely ready. Everything can be done using this tool. It makes the entire process extremely simple and efficient. Instead of manually searching for every single sound effect online, downloading it, and then importing it into your project, you can handle everything in one place. Apart from this, the tool also offers many other powerful features that I couldn't cover in this video. However, I highly recommend that you try it yourself at least once. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.